problem says find the length of each arc of the arc in terms of pi. So they want to know this arc right here that's shaded in right here. They want the length of that arc. The best way to do this problem is to think about the circumference of the entire circle first. Get that in your head. What's the circumference? Well, it's 2 pi r, or pi d, and our diameter is 24, so that's easy. It's just 24 pi. Well, that's the circumference. I want to think of what fraction of the circumference I'm looking at. What fraction or what portion of the circumference is x? And so let's figure that out. Well, this is 90 degrees right here, which means this arc here is 90 degrees, which means x is 270 degrees. 270 degrees is what fraction of the entire circumference? Well, the entire circumference is 360 degrees. So 270 into 360, and you can kind of see it in the picture, right? You can see that it's 3/4. So this arc that we're looking for, x, is 3/4 of the entire circumference. And what's the entire circumference? 24 pi. So how do we do that? We multiply 24 pi, so x equals 24 pi times 3/4. This is where a lot of people get confused because they're not good with fractions. Remember, when you have a fraction, I like to think of 24, I break it down. 24 is really 6 times 4. I could have broken it down more ways too. But 6 times 4 is good because then I can see that this 4 right here and that 4 will cancel out. And so my answer is 6 times pi times 3. And when I have 6 times pi times 3, what can I do with the 6 and the 3? I could move them together, commutative property. I could move the pi and the 3, switch their places, and I could just multiply the 6 and the 3 together, which gives me 18 pi. They wanted us to leave it in terms of pi, so your answer is 18 pi.